Hello there. Today we're going to be doing a little campfire cooking. Going to be doing actually some dessert. Just going to do a little apple crisp over the fire. So first things first, we need a fire because we have no fire. Kind of crucial in campfire cooking. Got our fire going. We want that to burn down nice and good. We want that to burn nice and hot for now. And we'll get a good coal base going, let that all burn down to some good coals. But while we're waiting on that, let's get our topping fixed up here. I do it a little different, probably because I was doing with what I had at the time. It turned out really good, so whatever. First ingredient is actually some instant oatmeal. This one's actually the protein stuff. We can use regular maple brown sugar. Use a pack of that. Because I didn't have any oats, so I substituted this and works great. Alright, and salt, we're going to do, I do just under half, a little over a quarter, under half teaspoon, somewhere in there. Then we're going to do roughly half cup flour. I did fluff this up a bit before I measured it. Might be a little much. Somewhere around there. Around about half cup packed brown sugar. I also like to add a splash of vanilla. Yeah, something like that. And I do a good teaspoon or so of cinnamon. I like cinnamon. Alright, next is going to be some butter. I'm going to do roughly, I don't know, a good quarter stick, but we're going to kind of chop it up here. And add that in. And then, I just like to use my hands, get in there. Mix it in real good, break up that butter. Of course you can use a mixer, masher, potato masher or something, whatever. But, I'll get in there with my hands, get dirty. Make sure your hands are clean first. Smells amazing. It's not quite fall yet, but it feels like fall up here, where I'm at. I think we got it mixed up alright. Should turn into a crumble looking, don't want it to be perfect, something like that. And we'll set that aside. And for the next ingredient, obviously, apples. This one's a Honey Crisp, but you can use Red Delicious or whatever floats your boat. Tried these before, they're actually pretty good. Kind of sweet, add a little extra sweetness to it. Not that it really needs it with all the sugar, but well. And then we'll just go ahead and throw those. And we'll just go ahead and throw those right into our cast iron skillet, because that's what we're using today. Did wash these beforehand. Slice them up, core them out. Oh yeah, those are good. This is about 4 large apples. So you want to do about a panful. Move them around so they're nice and even. You can make them fancy if you want. And then we take this crumble. Pour it over. Even it out. Get a nice good coating all around. Boom. Now it's ready to go in the fire. Just knocked down our fire, so got a good coal base going. It's nice and hot, not overly hot. Set that right on there. Keep an eye on that, but we're probably looking 20 minutes, 15, 20. Keep an eye on it, see what happens here. All that smoke getting right in there, gonna be nice and smoky and flavorful. Make sure you use some sort of hot pad on these, but keep it moving. To move it around the fire, spin it, move it. Or if there's any hot spots, helps move them around there. Looking good. It's probably 20-30 minutes or so. Kind of tell it's done when your apples are getting soft and all your topping is nice and melted in, all your butter melted in, and that sugar's nice and caramely on there. So time for the ultimate test here. The best part. Quite good. And hot. Still some nice crunch on them apples. Oh yeah. Hi. Somebody smells food. Some nice smokiness on that. Oh, but it was nice and smoky flavor. 10 out of 10 recommend. Maybe 9 out of 10. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's good. Oh, it's hot. It's fall time and things are falling from the sky. Well, it's not quite fall, but apples on the bottom there did get a little mushy, but I don't know. Oh, that's perfect. Nice warm dessert for a nice cool fall day. Well, it's not even fall, but it feels like fall. But cheers. Thanks for watching. Hope you try it. Let me know what you think.